Today's topic is salpingitis. Salpingitis is infection and inflammation of fallopian tube caused by bacteria like chlamydia, gonococcus, streptococcus, staphylococcus, mycoplasma, etc. যেহেতু এটা infection and infection মানে there are mode of transmission, sexual intercourse, insertion of IUDs, intrauterine devices, miscarriage or induced abortion, childbirth and appendicitis, etc. Symptoms. The common symptoms are abnormal vaginal discharge, unusual in color and smell, spotting between periods. যারা জানো না spotting কি মানে menstrual period ছাড়াও কিছু amount of blood release হওয়া from the vaginal, that is called spotting. Dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation, uncomfortable or painful sexual intercourse. And infection mane fever will be there obviously, so fever, abdominal pain in both the side, lower back pain, frequent urination, nausea and vomiting je kono rogei hoy motamoti. These all the symptoms usually appear after the menstrual period. Diagnostic evaluation মানে diagnosis কিভাবে করা যাবে? In general examination, it will show localized tenderness and enlarged lymph glands. Pelvic examination, blood test to detect the bacteria. For confirming type of bacteria, we will go for mucus swab. And finally, laparoscopy to check the fallopian tube. Directly balloon tipped catheter যেটার মাথায় ক্যামেরা লাগানো থাকে insert করে fallopian tube টাকে দেখে ফেলা যে ভিতরে কোথায় কি সমস্যা হচ্ছে। Treatment. It depends upon the severity of the infection and also includes symptomatic management. মানে ধরো এই ফিভার বা ভমিটিং এগুলোর আলাদা করে ট্রিটমেন্ট করা হয়, সাথে সাথে ইনফেকশনটারও ট্রিটমেন্ট করা হয়। So first choice is antibiotic therapy. Example doxycycline, tetracycline, amoxicillin এগুলো ইউজ করা হয় and sometimes doctors suggest hospitalization for IV antibiotic administration. If the condition resists the drug therapy মানে যদি মেডিসিন কাজ না করে তাহলে we can go for surgery. And the choice of surgery is salpingectomy মানে removal of the tube, fallopian tube. So that's all about salpingitis in short. Please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon there where you will be knowing whenever I come.